Welcome to Math with Miss Stacy. In this video, we will discuss how to multiply positives and negatives. So the rule is that two negatives, when multiplied together, make a positive. And a positive and a negative, when multiplied together, make a negative. So I'm going to draw some faces for you here for a second. So we know that two positives make a positive, and that's happy. So if you're awake and you're well rested, that's a positive thing and you're happy. So if you're sleeping and both your eyes are closed and you're getting a good night of sleep, that's a positive thing. This is positive. Now, if you're half awake and half asleep, okay, like you're having a hard time falling asleep at night, you're having a restless night, this is a negative thing. That is unhappy. One positive and one negative is negative. Also, if you're sleepy but you have to be awake and you're trying to stay awake, that's also negative. That's a sad, a frowny face. This is a negative experience. Okay, all the way awake, happy. That's positive. All the way asleep, that's positive. One eye open, one eye closed, that's negative. Okay, so let's look at some examples. We have -3 times -4. So those are two negatives. So we know our answer is going to be positive. And 3 times 4 is 12. It's positive 12. Next, we have -2 times 5. We have a negative times a positive. So we know our answer is going to be negative. And 2 times 5 is 10. So you have two parts to consider when you're multiplying positives and negatives. The first thing is the sign. So look at the positives and negatives. If you have an even number of negatives, your answer is positive. If you have an odd number of negatives, your answer is negative. So if you had a long string of numbers that you were multiplying together and you had four negative numbers that you're multiplying together, your answer is going to be positive. If you have three negative numbers that you're multiplying together, your answer is going to be negative. So another way to think of this is that these two negatives together, this piece joins this piece to become this piece, a positive. Two negatives together make the positive sign. So two positives multiplied together equal a positive. Two negatives multiplied together equal a positive. One positive and one negative makes a negative. So remember the half awake, half asleep people? They are unhappy. That's a negative experience for them. Okay, it's time for our affirmations. Say them with me. I can learn math. I can learn anything. Have a great day.